Hey everybody, Blake Hyde from over at Absolute Home Mortgage. Today we're going to focus on the 5 steps to our home buying process. Now we do know that the home buying process can be stressful, it can be long, it can be confusing. So you'll be hearing from myself as well as some of my team members about what we've done to make this process as simple as possible. Now we developed 5 easy steps during the pre-approval process to allow our customers to not only know really what step they're currently in, but what to expect moving forward. Now, the most important thing in this process is to determine your budget. Now, it doesn't matter what we can qualify you for. And what I mean by that is if I'm qualifying you for a mortgage that you're not comfortable paying, what's the point of obtaining that mortgage? So what we're looking at right now is for you to formulate your budget. Tell us, hey, I am comfortable spending this per month. Hi, I am comfortable putting this amount down. Now, don't be worried. We are 100% gonna give you your options. If there's a better option for you, we're gonna let you know. And if there's free money, we're also gonna let you know that. But it's really important before even applying with us, putting pen to paper with filling out your application, we really want to make sure that our customers are comfortable and do know their budget and are comfortable with the amount they have chosen. All right, on to step number 2, the application process. Now that you have determined your budget, gotten familiar with us, we've talked to you a little bit about what the process is going to look like, now we want you to apply. Now we're going to give you 2 easy ways to apply with us, over the phone or online. For those who don't want to fill anything out online like I am, you can call us in the office 9 to 5. If you need to make a special time after normal business hours, we can accommodate. Now, online, super easy. Fill out the online application, but don't stress out. We can correct this application every step of the way. We'll go back over with you once it is submitted. Now, why is this so important? You might be asking yourself, why are they trying to get me to apply so early? Well, that's how we're going to determine what loan you're going to qualify for. Once we review your application, it's going to show us your credit report, it's going to show us where you've been working, and it's going to show us some assets that you have for the down payment. Now we're going to be able to take all that information and then figure out what loan is best going to fit you, then tying it back into the budget that we discussed during step number 1. Now, if you're a customer like myself that is worried about maybe jumping right in, don't worry. We do not need to pull your credit right off the bat. We can actually perform what's called is a credit soft pull, which is a non-inquiry credit report. Step number 3, know your budget, but also discuss it with your realtor. Let's take a step back. What have we learned so far? We've gone over your budget. We've talked to you about what you would like to spend monthly, what you would like to put down. Then the next step, we had you fill out our application. At that point during the application process, we were able to figure out what loans you were able to qualify for. Now we take that program and we figure out what price point should we put you at to make sure we're getting you, of course, what we discussed in step 1, the monthly payment that you want to pay, as well as how much down you would like to put down. Now, going back, we discussed this not only with you and determine which range you should be searching in, we're going to discuss it with your realtor. We want to make sure we create transparency throughout the process, so then that way they feel comfortable showing you houses and you feel comfortable going into houses knowing that you can afford that range. Step number 4, find a home and call for estimates. This is the most important step in this process because at this step, not only remember in step 3, we did determine your budget, but now you're out seeing houses during step number 4. And the reason why we're saying find a house and ask us for estimates is every house is different. Taxes, insurance, maybe there's an HOA. So it's really important during this step, as you're seeing homes with your agent, before you fall in love and make an offer, we want to be a resource for you. We want to make sure that when you see this house, even on a Saturday, even on a Sunday, we are there as a resource for you to do estimates, to break down the numbers, to really make you feel comfortable before moving forward on that home. Step number 5, if the price is right, make an offer. So let's just go back. Step number 4, we were going over estimates. You saw a house that you might have looked at online or in person and you want to know the numbers. Now, let's just say you are comfortable with those numbers and you look at your realtor and you say, I want to buy this house. This is the house for us. Well, in step 5, this is when you write up a contract, you put in an offer, and you negotiate. And don't worry, we don't disappear. We're gonna be a part of the process every step of the way. Thank you for taking a second and listening to our 5 steps of the home buying process. We truly designed this to make the home buying experience a pleasure for everyone. If this information was helpful and you're truly interested in buying a home, please feel free to subscribe or reach out to us at the information below.